How to set up card controls and spending limits on Truist. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to take control of your Twist debit or credit card spending, well, in this video I'll show you how to set up card controls and spending limits using the Truist website. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, you simply have to click on the first link, and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here, you simply have to log in with your account, and once logged in, you simply have to click on card and card services and look for the card controls and spending limit option. And there you can enable features like transaction alerts, lock or unlock your card, set spending limits, and control where your card is used. And there, after adjusting your settings, make sure to save your changes to activate them. And that's it. Now you know how to control your cards and spending limits on the Twist website. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.